Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is James at Lock in the Value. So today we're going to talk to you about Power Ledger. Before we do that, though, we'll give you our update on our live spreadsheet. We continue to update this every day, or every time we do a video anyway. So current prices and prices at the time of recording. So KuCoin is our only investment right now that's down, and it's down 0.25%. We did a video on KuCoin about 3-4 days ago. Zilliqa is up 392%. It's actually overtaken our Dragon Chain investment, Engine Coin, VE Chain, Crypto.com coin. We're flying. Like I said, this is pretty much the best investment track record on YouTube, anywhere. You can check out other people's recommendations, and look at their May recommendations, their April recommendations, and then look at the price when they recommended the coin. Look at it now. Okay, all of this is verifiable. You can check every video we've done. You can see the prices because it says in the video, because we go onto CoinMarketCap live in the video, and these are the current prices as of today. No one else has this track record. We're proud to keep showing you this. And referring to that, our #1 cryptocurrency course is live on Udemy. And actually at the moment, Udemy is got a deal on, I think, for $11.99. So this course, I think, if you log on or you sign up with Udemy, is now $11.99 as opposed to $19.99. Also, the ratings, I don't know why it's not updated, because we've had 2 ratings so far of 5 stars. And we hope to continue getting more and more positive ratings. But everyone that's taken our course is really happy with the cryptocurrency we've discussed and why we believe it will be a breakout coin over the coming year. So if you're going to spend money buying an investment course, buy this one. No one's talking about this currency. It's not in the top 100. People aren't aware. I promise you, you will make huge returns because we've looked into this in great depth. Okay, again, not financial advice. This is our opinion, but our opinion has also shown this track record. Net profit of $1,155 from investments of $1,400 if you invested 100 in each coin. That is insane returns, and we continue to deliver that, and we will continue to try to deliver that for all of you. So it will be the best money you've spent. Check this course out. The link is in the description. Enjoy and I hope you sign up and enjoy the course. Now, Power Ledger. What an investment this could be. Power Ledger is such an interesting project. And in a time where more and more governments worldwide are being pressured to ensure that they start utilizing proper energy consumption and to reduce carbon footprint, Power Ledger is a really serious idea that could actually fundamentally work with governments to ensure that the general public can use this properly. So Power Ledger is based in Australia, and the idea is it encourages to imagine a world in which electricity is dependable, affordable, and clean. And clean is the thing. Clean is what we're looking at here. Okay, and bear in mind, you know, Canada. There's a huge push in Canada for clean energy. There's a massive push in England, especially with a target of 0 carbon footprint by 2030. The next 10 years is going to be massive for the UK. And if the UK were to utilize something like Power Ledger to achieve this, it would make huge steps towards actually reducing that carbon footprint anyway. And Power Ledger, in turn, would rise in value. Power Ledger's current value is 9 cents, 9.6 cents. Its all-time high is $2, according to CoinMarketCap. So it's about 20 times lower than its all-time high. If it hit its all-time high again of $2, we'd be looking at about a market cap of 814 million. So, you know, there's a way to go from 14 million, right? Now, in terms of the project, just very, very quickly, we'll run through some of the very, very impressive elements of the project. So Power Ledger's white paper is absolutely worth looking at. We've read through it, but I'm not going to read through it on a video because that would be boring for everyone. But it's really worth a read. Really, really is. Now, if you look back at Power Ledger's, firstly, their homepage. So the idea is they're building an operating system for new energy marketplaces. And they've started with Australia because that's where the company is based. Now, just to bear in mind what they've actually achieved so far in terms of global recognition, they've got awards from Extreme Tech Challenge, which was Sir Richard Branson's Extreme Tech Challenge. They've were a finalist in World Changing Ideas Energy category for Fast Company. Gemma Green, who is the CEO, I believe, is the FinTech Entrepreneur of the Year, and she also got Woman of Influence Innovation category. This project, this whole thing has global recognition to a significant degree. When you've got billionaires that are starting to acknowledge it as a great project, that is very, very interesting. But more than that, the recent news about how they've started expanding their focus with regards to different countries is they have expanded their task into Thailand. So they've expanded their blockchain energy footprint in Thailand. So they announced a partnership with Thai Digital Energy Development, so TDED, to develop the country's trading infrastructure for energy and environmental commodities. Now, this joint venture is a major coup for Power Ledger because Thailand actually has started to work towards renewable energy more so than a number of countries. Thailand, in fact, they aim to double renewable energy production to 30% by 2037. So this is a 17-year project that Thailand has in place, and they've set up a partnership with Power Ledger. So a 17-year partnership presents opportunities to build tech, to build development, and if their trials and their work are successful in increasing renewable energy, it won't be limited to Thailand and it won't be limited to Australia. This technology could spread to multiple countries, and that's a huge coup again for Power Ledger, and it will increase the value of the coin and the blockchain and the company itself. So, among other deals, the company is operational in Australia, Austria, the United States, Italy, and France. Now, the United States is not so much of a big deal because there's not a huge push on renewable energy in the United States. But European countries in particular are focusing a larger push. The UK, a massive one, and if they step into the UK's domain as well, there's going to be a big boom in potential market value. When you've got contracts with governments and you become part and parcel of of the infrastructure within a country or a government, or certainly within energy, you have a foothold on all your against all your competition, and you've got a real potential for growth. And I think that's where Power Ledger, the excitement lies for me personally, is that I think if they've already set up with, I know TDED is not part of the government, but it is a step towards being part of the government, because the TDED is a joint venture between BPCG and the Provincial Electricity Authority. Now, that is part of the government of Thailand. Yeah, it's a subsidiary, but it's still part. And that is, like I say, a big step in the right direction. And if we start seeing that and they become infrastructure within countries, we're going to see a big boom in Power Ledger. And like I say, there has to be a global push for renewable energy. Not even regardless of your take on global warming, personally, I think global warming exists. I can't believe that that's a discussion that's had, but it is a discussion that's had. But if you ignore that for a second, governments have to start working towards addressing that issue because it is an issue. Every scientist that they talk to, or 99%, sorry, acknowledge that this is an issue, and governments are working towards it. Canada already is. Thailand is working towards it, and most of the countries within the EU, as well as the UK, because obviously we're not in the EU anymore, are working towards reducing global carbon footprint and increasing renewable energy. Power Ledger's got a foothold already in multiple countries. I think over coming this, when we're talking about an investment, this is not necessarily a short-term investment, but as a long-term investment, talking 5 years maybe, this could see enormous growth, absolutely enormous growth. And this is one that I am going to begin putting in a little bit of money every month, not loads, but a little bit of money every month, and building up my investment over the course of a year, because I don't think this is one we're going to see huge gains quickly, but over a 5-year period we could see enormous growth. But that's it from us today, really. I just wanted a quick rundown of Power Ledger. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out our recent video on Nano. Nano is a massively underrated coin. Also, check out our Udemy course. It will be the best money you've ever spent, and with the deal on at Udemy at the moment, it'll only cost you $11.99. It's an absolute bargain. Anyway, take care and stay safe, guys. Bye.